Your Tesla gets better with time as new and improved features are added via over-the-air software updates. When a software update is available and your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi, the download occurs automatically and a green arrow indicator appears at the top of the touchscreen. If your Tesla is not connected to Wi-Fi, a yellow download icon appears. When the update is downloaded and ready to install, a clock icon appears at the top of the touchscreen. To begin installation, select the clock icon and select Install Now. Or set a time and select Schedule to install later. You can view, download, and install software updates by navigating to Controls, Software, and scroll to Software Update. If you are charging your Tesla, when you begin a software installation, charging will pause until installation is complete. You can also download and install updates using the Tesla app. You can choose how quickly you want to receive updates by going to Controls, Software. Become an early adopter by selecting Advanced to receive updates sooner. Once a software update is installed, software release notes will appear, containing information about what's new. You can view them on the touchscreen by going to Controls, Software, Release Notes, or by tapping Release Notes in the Tesla app. We recommend reading all software release notes as they often contain important safety information and operating instructions for your vehicle.